Alright YouTube, so I'm gonna have to make this video quick, but I woke up to a strange one today. My dad let me know over the phone that his Deville is not running right. We checked the oil the other day and it seemed to be okay on oil, and we put some extra oil in it last night. But yeah, it's got plenty of oil, so that's not the problem. But I just cranked it up just a couple of minutes ago just to see what's going on. And usually these engines are pretty dependable, but this thing is not happy for some reason. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated once we take it to the shop. But I'm just gonna start it up and let you see for yourself what it's doing, because it's throwing a fit. The check engine light's on, and it even did some backfiring out of the exhaust pipe when I tried to get it to correct itself a moment ago, but it's throwing a fit. So here, take a listen to this. It is shaking like crazy, and it is not firing correctly. Here, look. I'll put my hand here and wash my hand. That's not a normal idle. It is misfiring badly. Oh my God. Here, listen. Let's see if you can hear it from the exhaust. Yeah, it's misfiring badly. Let me see if I can correct it through a rev up for a second. It's got a misfire. 825. Oh, it's holding the rev. Well, did that fix it? Let's go see. It held the rev for a second. Well, I might have fixed it. Well, that seemed to have fixed the problem. It was misfiring. Well, I'll let you guys know if that fixed it, but we're still going to get it inspected. It probably has something to do with the spark plugs or something, but I have never seen a car misfire that badly before. So, we'll catch you guys soon.